Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about work date and how we can use this to make our life easier. So let's jump right into Business Central. As you can see here, I'm on the home screen and I'm going to use a scenario here that you might be familiar with. Let's go in General Journal and let's assume that we're going to have to post some journal lines. As you can see, by default, the system defaults the posting date to today's date. And as you can see here at the bottom, today is July 11th. So as this normally is not a problem, and obviously that's what we want as a default action, there might be scenarios in which we have to perform actions and post general journal lines in other dates. And obviously, while it is possible to change this manually, if we're doing a lot of posts and if we're working on a batch of things and we're going back and forth, it is possible that we might forget to change the posting date and accidentally leave it to today's date. So how can we prevent that? Well, there's a simple trick. In Business Central, it is possible to change temporarily the default work date in which we are operating to a different day. So let's assume, obviously, by default, we have today's date, which is 7/11. How do we, for example, change it to July 1st? Because that's where we're going to be wanting to do some work today. Well, it's very simple. All we have to do is go up here in the top right corner in the settings wheel, click there, and then select My Settings. You'll notice that among other options, we have one field called Work Date. As you can see here, it's defaulted to our to today's date, but it is possible to change this to a different day. And like we said earlier, we want to take it back to July 1st. So we're going to go ahead and do that and click OK. Now, let's jump out of General Journal and let's open that up again. And as you can see now, the posting date has defaulted to our work date, which is the work date that we selected in My Settings. Again, up here in the settings wheel, My Settings, and this is the date that we've selected. I hope you enjoyed this little trick. Hopefully it makes your life easier. And let us know down below if there's any other subject you'd like us to cover. Thank you so much for watching today and hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching this video from NAV SEAL. Check out more right here. NAV SEAL offer assistance and counsel on any existing solution. So if you're in need of assistance, don't hesitate to contact us on navseal.com or LinkedIn. Consider leaving a like and subscribe for more tips, news, and guides to anything Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.